backing up. Oh, man.
Welcome back, everyone. Some animals just have a special talent for turning the most ordinary moments into pure comedy. No matter what they do, they always find a way to surprise us and make us laugh. Get ready for a collection of the funniest moments you will not forget. Let's get started.
Oh my god! Okay, that right there is a prime example. Think and go.
That is me every time I try to solve my own problems.
Calm. Oh, careful, buddy. Calm, careful.
Ryder, don't hurt it.
After this, the monkey is never going to look at humans the same way again.
Go! Whee! Oh. Oops. That was a little too far. Huh?
This is your dog after one yoga class. Rate his moves from 1 to 10.
Like watching you do that. Yay! What a good
Imagine hearing a harmonica in the forest. Then you find the source, and it is a bear.
Looking for a snack. There it goes. It comes back out. What? Look at that.
Midnight, are you cleaning the table?
They definitely deserve a big tip after putting on a show like that.
Hello!
There is a fun fact that cows really enjoy music. If one is this interested in your singing, congratulations, you might just have what it takes to be a singer.
Literally, it's only when you say Snape.
I don't think she liked it.
How it feels coming home after your first day at a 9-to-5 job.
Huh?
Du kannst jetzt ja mit dem... What are you doing? Wow. Smart ass.
This hungry crow tried to carry every cookie in his beak at once, but things did not go as planned.
Oh my God, who ate the pizza?
No way.
Yeah, I'm just curious as is she trying to set my breast stink?
This is what a lazy cat looks like after the vet tells him to exercise more.
Get it. Oh, look, he's getting ready to go again. Oh, he's backing up. Oh, man.
Being a waiter was already enough, but now he has picked up a second job as a phone stand.
He doesn't know what to think. He's like, what is that? You and your poor little big bug eyes. I know. It's okay.
She won't stay off of that trampoline. How'd she get up there?
Oh, that's how.
You know something serious is happening when every horse in the neighborhood suddenly shows up.
Come do it again.
They have not figured out how to use the slide yet, so jumping seems like the better plan. Baby goats really are just like kids.
Come on.
Sadie! Come here!
What?
She said that Connor's the best thing that's happened to her.
Hi. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi, mama.
He really knows how to do that.
Come on, buddy. I am sure you will get back in shape soon.
When you wish upon a star, makes no difference the donkey you are.
Oh my goodness. Don't step on him.
This bird has apparently found a brand new use for the escalator, a completely free treadmill.
My God, you two. Bandit!
Doing that.
Huh?
Need a snorkel.
A snorkel!
No wonder this cat stays so healthy. He never skips his vegetables.
Pokey Bear's so sick of that log truck noise. He's trying to hide from it.
That is me trying to finish a whole ice cream all at once.
That putt, Bracey. Oh, go, baby, go! Go! Woo, Brewski! Who the dog? Who the dog? Who the dog? You the dog!
Technology has come so far that even dogs now have self-balancing scooters for racing.
So there goes the water bill. And don't ever make a drink and walk away.
When you are way too comfortable to leave mom's lap. Apparently, the scratching session is not over until this horse says so.
Fred?
Huh?
I don't think you're supposed to do that.
The old herd cat's getting them in. Get him in there, girl. Look at him. Yeah, look at him. That's better than Snoop. Get him in there. Yeah, takes him all the way to the barn, bud. Can't beat that. Look at him. There we go.
Who could ever say no after a begging pose like that?
You look so cute, though.
What are you doing, buddy? He's trying to get back up. Oh, there you go. Hi, buddy.
Huh?
Maybe he is just following through with his plan to go fishing at sea.
Hey, I appreciate every single one of you guys for being out here today. What we're going to talk about in this HR meeting is our goals and our company values.
The laws of physics simply do not apply to his energy.
Cut it out. You see him punching on? Oh! Oh, he's here pushing in the garden.
Why are you putting them up?
That is not how horsepower works, buddy. Back up a little.
Oh, this is gonna go.
He's coming up.
Oh dear.
I just want you to hold him.
We can't hold you anymore. You're too big. Too big.
I feel like you don't try hard enough. Oh, baby boy.
Sometimes I feel cute, and then sometimes I look like I bite people, and I just might.
What?
That was spooky, huh?
He is like, Mom, what is going on here?
It's not hooked up. It's not real. Come on. Come on.
Girl, listen. So my cousin's going to the 7-Eleven. Oh, that's good. They got that spice on it. Is this the shrimp one?
This isn't your baby. This is our baby.
Forget the fierce look. This giant cat is only interested in playing with his new toy.
Damn.
No.
Excuse me, ma'am. This is a free haircut service. Payment in carrots is accepted.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I know. Did you not get grain this morning?
Sorry, but the snack budget needs to be discussed before you make any decisions.
Huh?
You can't get mad because you can't go to work. Oh. Don't spit on me.
You No.
Amazing experiment. If given the chance, she will discover it soon.
Yes! Get it. One more time. This guy said you not big. You can have it, bro. You can have it.
This is exactly why you should never play with food in front of animals.
Come on, gotta get up. Come on, gotta get up. Come on, off the settee. Off, come on. Off.
Stop it. Love each other.
Take it outside. Get it, Jim. Take it outside.
When you blame everyone else, even though you know it's totally your fault.
Patricia! Bring it back! Patricia! Let me have it! Drop it! Drop it, Patricia! Thank you. Thank you.
Morning light on my face. Slow steps, easy pace. No pressure in my mind.
Go!
Come back into seated pose and then drop chin.
This puppy be like, in this class, I don't do yoga, I do naps.
Roll your head over towards right. And then come back.
Perfect. I love it. Keep your arms straight. Chicken's doing his. Too funny.
Palm tree? That's gonna be awesome. Can't wait. Just don't leave me real tough, right? Takes the big palm tree.
When walking feels like way too much work, so you decide to order your own personal Uber instead.
I owed him up.
And we really can't wait to meet this. Oh my goodness.
We have a special guest in the building.
As we go. I love that.
This adorable cashier seems very experienced at her job and incredibly enthusiastic too.
Albert, vu que tu t'es fait mal, le pauvre, franchement, il a dû se faire mal, hein. Hop, tiens, tu ressens un petit bout. Un petit bout, hein. Tout doux. Tout doucement. Albert, tu me fais peur. Arrête. Ah! 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 Ah!
When you go. Fucking cooter that way.
Forget about her practice. Harry decided he's the defensive player of the year today.
Shoot, puppy, shoot!
Someone ate my KFC. Hey, who ate my KFC? Hey, Morgan, did you eat my KFC? Okay, thanks.
I owed him up.
What's that?
Where are you going? Where are you going? Hey, Blue. Hello, 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 hello.
He's probably been watching too much Toy Story.
Hey, look this way. Look. What?
When your friend is way more photogenic than you are.
Hi! Hi!
Hey, hello!
Huh?
happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
I guess his usual cool and mysterious personality is trapped in another universe right now.
Dude, what the fuck? Bro. No. No. What the hell, bro? Hey.
You go potty outside. I just let you out. Bro, did you? You just went outside. There's a puppy here.
My heart went.
Me when I trip in the store and walk away like nothing happened.
Stop. That hurts. Moira, that hurts. Ow.
Yeah, puppy.
How old is he now?
8 months.
Wow.
He still ain't fully grown.
Cookie Bear's so sick of that log truck noise. He's trying to hide from it.
With looks this stunning, this girl definitely deserves a role in a Hollywood movie.
No.
Huh?
Swing abanic, alimenta a tu familia con el paquete princesa.
When you try to chase something that was never meant to be yours.
Huh?
I'm pretty sure he didn't see the payment required sign at the front door.
Oh my god. Hey! Oh my.
I think they're having a sister fight.
In the foot. Hi, Zelda. Hi. What you doing? Kiss? Oh, thank you. Love you.
They may not speak the same language, but these best friends connect through music.
Oh my gosh!
Nani? I found myself in a situation where I can't really move.
No.
Okay. Thank you, Dusty. My Dusty's butt. I think I got it. Okay.
É amigo ou inimigo? É amigo ou inimigo? Ó, tô treinando. Os motoboy, quando vocês virem nessa rua aqui, ó, já tô treinando ele, tá? Ó.
Huh?
Ai! Viado!
Today is gonna be the day that they're gonna throw it back to you.
This is exactly how I imagine myself if I could play the guitar.
Get out now!
When bath time turns you into a gentleman with a majestic bubble mustache.
We have bananas. Yeah. Do you guys want a banana? Polly, jump. Pop. Jump.
That was a great jump.
Penelope, spin.
Wow, double spin.
Hello? Oh my God, no way!
Did we get it?
You can
You
make
got
it.
it.
Yes, oh.
Good boy.
Ese, loquito, 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 loquito.
Pasito, bonito, que tonto.
Toma esse teteiro.
Pasito, pa.
Whoa!
This hardly seems fair. Maybe the referee should step in before things get too chaotic.
Hey, Lockie, what am I?
Huh? What are
Hey,
you?
what am I?
Fucking idiot.
No, I'm a fucking kangaroo.
Hey, if you're down today, you can have a little bit of my sunshine.
Me when I accidentally switch to the front camera while eating.
No. No. No.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky.
Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss our latest videos. See you in the next one.